Shruti Garde and I am a third year dental student. Today, I'm not going to be talking about corona or mucormycosis. Instead, I am going to be talking about something which has affected a lot more families than this. Yes, you heard that right. More than corona. And that is cancer. Oral cancer is the third most common type of cancer in India. Every year, a lot of people die because of cancer. In a single day, every hour, 5 people are losing their life to this deadly disease. This can tell you the severity of it. Out of all the cases of oral cancer in the world, India accounts for 85% of the cases. So, do you realize we are in a really bad condition? The government has tried out different schemes in order to create awareness about the ill effects of the use of tobacco. Even when you go to watch a movie, it starts with a small clip which tells you that tobacco is hazardous to your health. It says धूम्रपान सेहत के लिए हानिकारक है and also shows you the story of Mukesh who lost his life to cancer. But what have we done as millennials? We have turned that Mukesh into a meme and now all of it is just a joke. We have decided or chosen to be ignorant about it, whereas we should instead be scared and create more awareness about it and stop other people from using tobacco and its products. In India, tobacco is used in both smoking and smokeless forms. The smoking forms involve hookah, cigarettes, and the use of bidi, whereas the smokeless forms involve the application of mishri, gutka, and pan masala. All of these forms cause not only oral cancer but various other things like cancers of the lungs. We already know that we are in the middle of a pandemic. In this pandemic, the coronavirus is also acting on your lungs. So imagine you already have weak lungs and now this virus is also acting there only. This will just make your treatment more difficult and make you suffer a bit more. So won't it be easier to just quit? I understand quitting is a whole lot easier said than done. And it is not your fault. There is a substance which is called nicotine which is present in these tobacco products which causes you to crave them and causes addiction to this. However, there is professional help available. The government runs helplines and a lot of NGOs also are there out to help you get rid of your addiction. Even I have made a video on how to quit tobacco products and smoking and you can check it out in the description box below. So coming back to oral cancer. Why am I talking or stressing on oral cancer today? Because today is World No Tobacco Day. The 31st of May has been declared as World No Tobacco Day by the World Health Organization. Oral cancer is caused by tobacco, as I already said earlier. But another major reason why it is so high in India is because we are ignorant about our oral health. And oral hygiene is not given that much of importance. We think it's just about my face, it's just about my mouth. Muh ki baat hai, how much will it affect me? It can turn into something deadly. So what are the initial signs and symptoms that you should look out for? The presence of an unexplained soreness or an unexplained unhealing ulcer, unexplained bleeding from your teeth which does not stop, presence of white or red diffuse patches, difficulty in eating, even for that matter, difficulty in opening your mouth or decrease in the amount that you can open your mouth. So technically, when you open your mouth, 4 fingers should be able to pass through it. If that reduces, it means that you are having trismus, which can be one of the symptoms of cancer. If you see any of these symptoms, what should you do? First of all, visit your nearest dentist. They can give you the right guidance. However, the dentist will also not be able to help you if you are not ready to get rid of your addiction. So, you need to, first of all, prioritize your oral hygiene, and second, get rid of your addiction as soon as possible. The treatment of oral cancer is very difficult and extensive. It requires a team of professionally trained surgeons, and the affected part needs to be physically removed. You will think, okay, it's just a part in your mouth and not that big a deal. But actually, it can spread to your neck and from there to other parts of your body, which we call as metastasis, and cause other growths there. Now that sounds dangerous, right? So do not ignore any small lesion just because you think it will just go away. Every small lesion has the capacity to grow into something which can turn out to be life-threatening later. Today, on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day, I take a pledge to never use a tobacco product in my life again, and I hope that even you will do so. I know quitting is difficult. However, prevention is any day better than cure. Imagine going through series of radiotherapy and chemotherapy and then surgeries, and the amount of trouble you will need to go through, and even your family. Losing a loved one just because of an addiction is something that I am sure you don't want to go through. So if you know anyone around you who is addicted, please give them a helping hand and help them come out of this. I, as a student, would like to tell all of you all that quitting tobacco is something that we need to do as a country. 85% of all the cases in the world is not a small number. Apart from that, the pandemic is still going on. Please take care and take all the necessary precautions for corona. Stay home and stay safe. Mucormycosis is also still on rise. If you see any symptom for that too, please visit your nearest doctor. I know it sounds like I'm scaring you, but no, I just want to create awareness about this, because if something can be prevented, let's prevent it. Let's together as a society grow. In these hard times, I have also realized that there is a lot of negativity around us. I'm going to be coming up with a video where I will be telling you all the story of 5 people who have successfully recovered from mucormycosis, and also telling you my thoughts as well as what the experts have to say about the white and the yellow fungus. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and quit today.